Hello and good day traders. This is a USDJPY, US dollar and Japanese yen, and this is the most interesting pair in this week I'm watching. And I'm really interested to take some trade, or I will speak to my investor to take the trade in this pair. My analysis is very simple here, though as far as forex market is concerned, there's nothing. Nothing is simple. We had a double top here in the month of on October, in the month of November, very clearly, and we are expecting that if we have a bullish biasness, the price will come here. And on the other side, this top has been created from this area. So this is the range we have. To be a little bit preferable, I will put it from here, not here, because this guy couldn't break this guy. So this is the area I'm interested. So this is the total range, and if we see the total range, we can see that the market price has not even retraced 50% of it is still now. So the market is still uh, bullish biased in monthly time frame, undoubtedly. I have no question about it at the moment. And if we see the monthly, the trend line, if we draw the trend line from here actually, and a trend line must touch a red and a green candle. It must touch, otherwise the trend line doesn't reflect anything in good way. Okay, so this is the trend line. It is coming somewhere here. This is the area where the price 139.50 is the area where the trend line will be strike for the first time, because you can see that after crossing this area, the trend line never been touched at all. So this is the monthly. If we go to weekly now, and sorry to I forget, it has a beautiful so far in first 3 weeks of January, it has a beautiful engulf candle, and I think within the month of January it will engulf the previous month. That is my way of thinking. Anyhow, in weekly, if you see that we have this. This is the area where it has not been addressed. Let me enlarge a little bit. This is the fair value gap has been left here. Fair value gap is measured in different way in different cases. Some places it has been made. Some of the analysts measure the fair value gap like this, from this candle to the tweak of this. This is the area. The price has not been tapped, and also here is the area which has not been tapped before. This is one way to see fair value gap. Another way of to see is that if we delete both of them, we can see that some people say that the price has been tapped here, from here to here it has not been tapped. This is a personal opinion of the analyst, the way he or she is comfortable to analyze. So this is the area never been tapped, in between the shadow of this red candle and the shadow of this green candle. And of course we have a very big area which is untapped still now. Coming back to days, let me remove the let me do something with this guy. I don't want it to be shown in daily or hourly. Okay. In daily, you guys can see that there is two things we have here, that the same thing, the fair value gap is untapped here in daily. This is the area has not been tapped. And also there is another place we can see that this is the area where the prices never came back. These are the two potential zone. So as we are expecting the price may come up to this region, so we need to see how the things plays on. So one option is this. The reason I wanted to check this, why it has been stopped, because the last 2 days of the last week it has started the same price and stopped, which is very unusual. Rather, I think it is manipulated rather than unusual. It is very artificially maybe it has been created. This is my opinion, of course. In weekly we don't have a double top, in daily we don't have any double top because we don't have a red candle, and in 4 hourly if we go, then we can see that we may have a double top which has been dominated from this guy. So if we just draw the box from here, this is the guy which has resisted this guy, and in 4 hourly it happened. So in a structural analysis, once such a thing happened, there is 4 options we are left with. There are 4 options. The outcome can come. So I'm going to show you all 4 options here. So this is the double top happened, and this is the let me go to daily so we understand. And in daily, this was the double bottom we had earlier in daily from this area, and you push the price like this. So if you draw in daily something like this, this is the thing we can say. And let's put it in content like this, and of course we need to change the color here too. So if we just put it something like this, or maybe it is done in 4 hourly, I think, not daily, because daily is not matching. It is done from here, somewhere here. Anyhow, to be very clear on this, you guys can easily understand. Hold on, just let me draw the thing so you guys can take your own judgment or decision, whatever, at the end of the day, to take the trade or not. So this is must be green, blue, and this must be blue. So these are the area we are operating at the moment after this double top. So if we measure the depth of the market here, this is the 50% zone we have. This is where the price can come. This is one option we have. So as I am referring, there are 4 options. This is one option we have. Second thing is this: the price will try to show some attitude here, try to break this out, and then it will come here. But coming back here, we have another 2 options left. Here is this. These are the fair value gap which has not been addressed. At the same time, there is another fair value gap, if you guys can see, is this, that this value has been tapped, but in fair value gap some people say this is a gap has been left, and of course there is a lot of liquidity left here, so anybody can it can come here. So these are the 3 options we have, 4 options, 1 2 3 4. These are the 4 area where the price will tap, and then it will go bullish. So watch out for these 4 areas, and if we go to 4 hours, we can see that the potentially, hold on, I need to enable this guys so you guys can understand what is going on in detail, rather than taking your trade from anywhere you like. No, don't do that. In 4 hours, the price will tap here, and I don't think this is a major area it will tap. However, you can see this red candle, this guy is very potential. It can stop the price here. Okay, this is one place I am looking for the trade to go long. And the second area I will see is this area. Again, this is another area where the price can tap and go long. So watch for these 2 areas. In other sense, these are the areas where price will come and it will start going long again. So I'm waiting to see either it will come here, and I will wait for the retest and confirmation. Either it will come like this here and try to retest, or maybe tap a little bit down, then it will move on. So this is one area I am interested at the moment, and the second one is this, that it will come to this area and try to retest and tap a little bit from here, or maybe if it comes here, it may come to this position also, then it will go. Other than these 2, I don't have any recommendation for USDJPY. So please make your own provision for risk management. On the at the same time, you do your own analysis, and please share your comments, anything. Guys, I like to request you to subscribe my channel and like the video and share it. If you dislike, even put it there. I will really appreciate. Thank you very much.